So the tier 2 chemicals that we're talking about are chemicals that we know are caustic in nature, and they are required to report, the facility is required to report those. So whenever this incident initially occurred, we ended up pulling that list to look at those so we knew exactly how much on an average day they had in the facility. And it begins to help folks like public health determine, what are the precautions that we need to take to protect the public. It also is very critical whenever local fire and hazmat is on site. It helps them to identify how best to respond to the incident.
So what kind of chemicals then were in there that you're concerned about that make it tier 2?
So there are a number of different chemicals that are in there. One of those is lead. The other ones is basically what is antifreeze, nitrogen, sulfuric acid, and a few others. Please understand that this is one of the largest facilities in the nation that has different oils. So whenever there's a bunch of different chemicals that are in there, one of the things that the chief looks at is to try to determine whenever you have a fire of this nature, how do they all work together? And again, it all comes back to life safety. We want to make sure that if you wear your mask, if you have to be outside, we want you to make sure that you wear your mask. If you don't have to be in that area, we would encourage you to stay outside of the area.